After mawawa ko sa Realme 9 Pro Plus, and I know na itong 10 Pro Plus should be the successor ng 9 Pro Plus. Well, common sense lang naman yun. Sobrang ganda ng impression ko sa 9 Pro Plus. It's a sin na hindi ko i-try out itong bagong Realme 10 Pro Plus. So simulan muna natin with a quick unboxing after this quick intro. So hi guys, I'm pala si the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Realme 10 Pro Plus and kita natin, no, it's already 5G ready. And on the side, well, yeah, sabi nga niya 5G ready nga talaga. And dito sa likod, meron tayo some quick specs, 120Hz ang screen refresh rate, the curved ang display. Dimensity 920 na 5G chipset, 108MP na ProLight camera sensor na meron siyang Samsung HM6 na sensor. 67 watts of fast charging na meron siyang 5,000 mAh of battery. Ang color na meron ko dito is the dark matter. Buksan natin. Kita natin, meron naman maliit na box na bubungad sa atin. So, buksan natin. We have the SIM ejector tool inside, some user guides, frosted na jelly case, smoke black. So, kunin muna natin yung phone. And of course, habang nagpapatuloy tayo, sabi ko lang sa inyo yung presyo, no? So, 128 gigs nitong phone nito is priced at $19,999. And ang 8256 gig na phone nito, na Realme 10 Pro Plus, is priced at $24,999. Link on the description. So, kita natin ang kanyang camera modules, almost the same do sa Pro variant. Pero of course, ang kanyang textures, totally different on its own. So, quite nice itong color nitong dark matter. And pag tinamaan siya ng ilaw, no, parang meron siyang kalat na hindi mo maintindihan, no, na art na ilaw din, no, which is quite nice naman for me. Other things inside the box, Type-C cable, 67 watts na Superbook charger. Ganito itsura niya, no, pag kinabit mo yung kanyang jelly case. Well, okay naman siya. So, pasyalin ko muna kayo dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker and ang kanyang USB Type-C port, microphone in, of course, kanyang SIM tray. Now, susundutin na natin SIM tray para makita natin kung ano nga bang kaya nito. So, after ko masundot, SIM 1 and SIM 2 na 5G SIM na kaya nito. Wala sa expansion, guys. Dito sa kabilang side, malinis. Baba, makita natin ang noise cancelling mic, of course, the second loudspeaker. Dito sa kabila, andyan ka ng power button, of course, volume rocker. Sa likod, ang kanyang triple camera setup starting with the 108MP na sensor. Sa harap, ang kanyang punch hole na camera, which is a 16MP na front-facing camera. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920. It's made by TSMC and it's a 6nm chip. So, I think the performance should be good. Checking Antutu benchmark, nakakuha siya ng near 500,000 points. Kulang na siya ng konti, 500 na siya. Chinek din natin kanyang breakdown na scores. This is what I got. Itong phone na ito, by the way, is running inside Android version 13 and ang Realme UI 4.0. So, one thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya, no, is expandable pang kanyang RAM. So, meron kang 8 gigs of RAM, meron pa extend plus another 8. So, 16 gigs of RAM. For me, more than enough ng 8. Pero kung, well, the more the merrier. Pero, well, sometimes you need it. Pero sometimes, parang waste of storage lang. Depende naman sa usage din, no? Chinek ko kanyang thermals dito sa phone na ito and I can see that the Realme 10 Pro Plus is passing my test with flying colors. Ito naman nakuha kong score dito sa wildlife, so I believe that this phone can give you some really good gaming experience. Malalaman natin later. Okay din naman ang score na nakuha na dito sa Geekbench. Nakakuha rin naman siya ng level 1 ng Wi-Fi security level, so meaning if you are watching HD sa phone na ito, kayang-kaya niya. So, itong phone na ito has a 6.7-inch na curved AMOLED display and ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio is around near 94%. It has a 120Hz of screen refresh rate, touch sampling rate na 360Hz, and ang kanyang maximum brightness is at 950 nits. And tinry ko naman siya under the direct sunlight. Okay naman, nakakabasa naman ako even though medyo matikat ang araw. So, one of my favorite things to do dito sa phone na ito is checking my socials. TikTok, Facebook, and this is how it looks like when I'm browsing sa TikTok. Okay na okay siya, no? Bilis mag-browse dahil, well, as expected naman dito sa phone na ito, I'd expect nothing less. Browsing on Facebook, ganito naman itsura niya. Smooth din ang aking transition thanks to its 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Now, watching videos on this one definitely is smooth kasi meron siyang AMOLED display plus 120Hz of screen refresh rate. The colors are punchy. And of course, thanks sa kanya 94% na screen-to-body ratio, iyong-iyo ang buong screen, no? Ang sarap manood ng videos dito sa phone na ito. Klarong-klaro, the black is blacker, and the colors are punchy. I enjoy every moment na nag-binge watch ako dito sa phone na ito. And checking ang kanyang loudspeaker, malakas din naman ang kanyang loudspeaker dahil kaya mo maximize until 200% ang kanyang sound. So, try natin. Yeah, what I'm about to prove. Wow, yay! So after trying ka ng sounds dito sa phone nito, I can say na parang mas malakas ng konti ang sounds coming out from the speaker grills dito sa baba as compared dito sa ibabaw. Probably dahil mas maliit ang butas dito. So probably the reason bakit medyo mas mahina ng konti dito sa ibabaw. But overall, ang sounds niya is pretty decent and malakas naman siya. But if you're looking for a more immersive experience, I would suggest na you can buy some of the buds na you like. And there are some really nice na mga buds na nilabas din si Realme. You can check it out. Now, itong phone na ito has 5,000 mAh of battery and of course, fast charging up to 67 watts na superbook charge. Charging from 10 to 100 takes roughly mga 40 minutes lang just to complete the full cycle. Okay, di ba? Bilis. Now, what's even better dito sa phone na ito is that this one can almost last you for 20 hours na screen on time. And to be exact, it's 19 hours and 11 minutes. And I was surprised na ganun kataas ang binigay sa kanya ni PC Mark na battery stress test. And using it on a day-to-day basis, I can say okay naman siya. I was able to last for mga 2 days on normal usage. Let's say, mostly browsing the social media, watching some videos on YouTube, playing some mild games, and of course, using some light chat sa video. Now, tinry naman natin maglaro ng some games dito sa phone na ito, like Call of Duty Mobile. I can say, okay naman siya. The touch sampling rate na 360 was very responsive. And of course, the screen is nice. Ang laki ng screen niya, no? And of course, yung punch hole is not that big, so hindi siya ganun kasagabal. And what I like dito is hindi siya masyadong mainit. And the hottest na na-achieve ko dito is roughly nasa 41 to 42 degrees Celsius. And of course, it would be faster to cool down. You can use a cooler dito sa phone na ito. Overall experience dito sa Call of Duty Mobile, okay na okay siya. And of course, very minimal ang kanyang frame drops. But occasionally, may mapapansin na konti. But very, very minimal lang siya. So right now guys, pag-uusapan na natin finally ang kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito. And I know na it's a shift from the Realme 9 Pro Plus na Sony IMX766. This time around, Samsung HM6 na kanyang sensor. Likod niya is being powered by a 108MP na ProLight camera ni Samsung HM6. Meron siya 6P lens, And one of the features na pinagmamalaki ni Realme dito is the Hypershot imaging architecture. And together with this one, meron siya 8MP na ultra-wide lens and of course 2MP na macro lens. And sa harap niya, 16MP front-facing camera. The best na kaya i-perform dito sa rear camera na is a video resolution of 4K 30fps. And sa harap niya is just a 1080p and 30fps. And nilabas ko naman tong phone na ito outdoors with a lot of expectation, dahil si Realme 9 Pro Plus is definitely one of my favorite cameras. And this one was equally nice as well. Some of these shots, makukuha natin, ang ganda ng picture. And pag zoom natin, andyan, preserve ang lahat ng details dito sa camera shots na ito, And taking some photos like the leaves, ang ganda, very dramatic ang kanyang mga shots na nakuha ko dito. And tinry ko magamit ka ng zoom lens from a wide angle camera na 0.6. Then, of course, a normal shot na 1x. And of course, zooming all the way to 3 times zoom. So, okay. 3 times zoom is still very nice. Dinala ko rin tong camera na ito indoors and I can see na it was able to give me some of these really nice shot, be it food shot or yung mga product shot, I can say it's really nice kasi it was able to capture all of those details na gusto ko makuha, for that specific shot. And taking some night shots din, I can say it's equally good as well. Though, medyo slower lang siya mag-snap, roughly mga 3 seconds per snap. But anyways, the camera shots are definitely okay. Now, taking a quick look at some selfies na nakuha ko, I can see both indoors and outdoors, the camera shots are okay. Ganda, malinaw, and very sharp ang mga details na nakuha ko sa aking mukha. And of course, ginamit ko naman itong phone na ito for some quick vlogging using the front-facing camera, and this is what I got. So guys, this is the resolution that you'll be getting if you're vlogging using the Realme 10 Pro Plus. And I can say that the resolution is nice, even that it's just shooting at 1080p and 30fps. Probably could have been better if it's 1080p and 60fps. Might be a little bit more better in terms of resolution. You can see that the building behind me is a little bit blurred, but well, of course it's going against the lights of the sun. But overall, I can say this is probably one of those good vlogging camera. What do you think? And of course, taking a 4K 30 FPS na video sa kanyang rear camera, this is the result. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Realme 10 Pro Plus? Has it exceeded my expectation? Dahil maganda expectation ko dito sa phone na ito, no? Dahil I was really impressed by the 9 Pro Plus, and moving over to the 10 Pro Plus, this one, for me, should be at least a little bit better than the 9 Pro Plus. Now, ang first thing na napansin ko is I like the design better dito sa 10 Pro Plus as compared sa 9 Pro Plus. And this one, having that 94% na screen-to-body ratio definitely is a winner for me. Coming with a really nice battery performance dito na kaya magtagal ng 2 days is another winning factor for me. Well, for the camera, I was expecting na itutuloy lang nila Sony IMX pa rin, no? But this time around, shift sila. But definitely, the pictures na nakuha ko dito are good, captivating, sharp, and well, I'm quite speechless. Kasi kahit anong snap ko dito, halos maganda naman mga resulta na nakukuha ko. And of course, that's my honest opinion dito sa phone na ito. If you ask me kung okay itong phone na ito, definitely I'll tell you it's a yes. If you're somebody who likes really nice photography, this one can really perform, and definitely you can use this for vlogging or some photography activities. If you'd like to buy this phone, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And of course, the price for this phone, 8128. Priced at 19,999, and of course the 8256 is priced at 24,999. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?